Hi folks, it's Robin Clayton. I want to welcome you back to my channel, Zodicea at the Farm. I hope everybody out there is doing absolutely wonderful. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you and say thank you for coming to my space of creativity. So today we're going to be making this gorgeous, it's a 4-piece gorgeous red flower for your home or for your garden, but I absolutely love this piece. There's the famous hook that I use, gorgeous supporting plate, and then I've got this gorgeous red flower petal followed by this Mikasa flower petal followed by this beautiful multi-red orb. So I hope that you will stay with me because I'm going to give you my tips from A to Z on how to make these gorgeous garden flowers for your home or for your garden. We're going to move on now to the items that you're going to need to complete this project. See you soon. Hey folks, okay, let's go through a quick list of items that you're going to need to complete this project. Have your plates already set up as you want them to appear upon completion. We're only going to be cutting these 2 plates today, all right? The other one has already been cut. You're going to need to have a Phillips head screwdriver. I have an electric screwdriver that I do use, but this is always my go-to screwdriver. You're going to need to have some water. I have mine is Holy. There you go. And you're going to need a diamond tipped drill bit to use with your Ryobi if you're using a standard drill. If you have a drill press, that's absolutely wonderful. You're still going to need your diamond tip bit. You're also going to need a hanging hook if you're going to be mounting this outside. You're going to need a few rubber washers, and I'm going to need this metal drill bit to open this particular hole on this hanger because it's just a little bit too short, so we're going to be using that as well. You're going to need your gloves, and you're going to need protective eyewear, and I think that's pretty much everything. Again, it's listed in the description box below so that all of this information will be available to you. All right, so now I'm going to move on to the cutting section of this particular video. Hold on. Okay guys, I'm at my drill press station here, and I'm going to just quickly get everything set up here with my stabilizer. Okay, so just gonna put that right there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and elevate this up a little bit more. You want to make sure you get really straight down on that glass. All right, so I've got a little bit of water here. I think that's right there. Okay, here we go. I am using my Ryobi drill, cordless drill with my diamond tipped drill bit, and when we use this drill we're going to start at a 45-degree angle and then work our way up into a 90-degree angle to complete this using the cordless drill method. The reason why I'm using the cordless drill method for this particular piece is simply because of the fact that my drill press is only 12 inches, so this supporting plate is too large for that press, so I'm going to show you how to use it with a drill. Okay, all right, so I'm going to bring the camera down so I can go ahead and start the instruction on how to do this. Okay, here I am. I've got this gorgeous supporting plate, all right, that we're going to be working with. I've already marked the center of it with my magic marker. I've got some water here along with my diamond tipped bit with my drill. I'm going to put that water right there. We're going to start real slow, as I said, at a 45-degree angle. You're going to start that drill out real slow and then bring it straight up to a 90-degree angle, rather. Okay, here we go. perfect hole. Yeah, perfectly through, guys. First thing that we're going to start with is our hook. All right, and I'm going to take a washer and I'm going to put that right there behind, flush to that hook. Then I'm going to take my dish and I'm going to turn it over. And I'm going to take my bolt and I'm going to push that straight through and then push it straight through the flour and then carefully turn it over. Okay, just like that. I'm going to take my next washer and put one down just like that. Okay. And then I'm going to take my next plate, which is this gorgeous, it's just a gorgeous golden light pink, beautiful flower petal. I love it. I'm going to stick that right there, just like that. Okay. Then I'm going to get another washer and I'm going to put that right there. Okay. And then my next piece is this Mikasa. And I'm going to get another washer and place that just like that. Okay. Alright, and then now that I've finished all of my pieces, I'm going to go ahead and start my toggle. And remember, the toggle takes takes 2 hands. Get this toggle started. Alright, so once you get that toggle, get it down there a little bit, not all the way. And then we're going to take our orb and we're going to press that orb straight down just like that. And then pull it back out so that you know that the wings have opened up inside the orb. Okay, so we know that's done. So I'm going to carefully turn it this way. And some of these pieces can be really, really heavy. Take my screwdriver in the forward position. And just begin tightening the pieces. Okay. And then take my with my second screwdriver. So just, just doing it slowly and carefully. Then going back and, assessing. Okay, I just want to make sure that it's done correctly. And then I'm going to go back and tighten it up just a few more times. Go back and adjust. All right, folks, here it is. This is the finished, beautiful red and white, gorgeous glass flower. And it has 1, 2, 3 pieces plus the orb. Let me turn it over. And it's got this gorgeous back support. And I just think that is just such a beautiful, exquisitely done flower. I do like how the petals lay, and I do like the depth of it. I like the textures. This is a very textured piece. This back supporting piece is also very, very textured. So there's a lot of different textures in this beautiful piece. I absolutely love it. All right, so now that we have completed the assembly of this particular piece, I want to show you how you would mount it indoors as well as outdoors. Okay, so we're going to start with the stand. Let me show you the stand I'm going to be using. This is a single stationary stand. I love it. It's just one piece, and this one is probably one of my favorite stands, just due to the simplicity of it, but also the strength of it. All right, so I'm going to set the stand down. I'm going to take the glass flower and set it right on the stand. All right, so here it is on the stand. I think this flower looks absolutely magnificent. It's a very spring-like. It would make a wonderful centerpiece anywhere in your garden or even in your home. It's just really a beautiful focal point. Let me turn it from the back so you can see that. And then you can see all of the dimensions, including the textures as well with this particular piece. I just love all of the textures and the colors. I think it absolutely looks magnificent. Okay, so that is the display of it on the stand. I'm going to show you now how to put it on a outdoor stand. Okay, so here's the metal. One of the metal poles that I use is just a piece of conduit with a chair cover that I've drilled a hole through the top of. This chair cover actually sits snug as a bug in a rug on this particular piece of conduit. So this is a very efficient way to mount this. At the end of it, I'm gonna go ahead and take my hook. I'm gonna press it right down like that, and then I'm gonna bring it up so I can show you. So again, this is just a red piece of conduit that I've painted with marker. And there it is from the stand. The dimension of it. So there you go. I think that looks magnificent. Isn't that just a beautiful, gorgeous red poppy flower? All right, folks, we are at the end of the video. I hope that you have enjoyed this particular episode, and I hope you love this flower as much as I do. If you have any questions with regards to anything that happened during the video today, you can email me at hurricane4cr@gmail.com. If you're interested in purchasing any of these pieces, you can find them on my website at www.zodiseeatthefarm.com. If you have any questions or concerns, you can leave them in the comments section below. Please don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button so these videos get out to others who are interested in creating this beautiful glass art for their home or for their garden. Okay, so that's it for this week. I hope to see you next week here at Zodisee at the Farm. Take care. Bye-bye.